The Secret of the Old Oak Tree. Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, lived two adventurous siblings, Lily and Max. They loved exploring the woods behind their house, where they often imagined grand adventures and hidden treasures. One sunny afternoon, while playing near the ancient oak tree that stood tall and proud at the heart of the forest, Max noticed something peculiar. "Lily, come look at this," he called out. Lily ran over and saw what Max had discovered. A small, intricately carved door at the base of the tree, almost hidden by moss and ivy. With hearts pounding in excitement, they gently pushed the door open and found a spiral staircase leading down into the darkness. Holding hands, they descended the steps, their curiosity outweighing any fear. At the bottom, they emerged into a breathtaking world unlike anything they had ever seen. The air was filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, and the sky above was a swirl of colors, as if painted by a master artist. Tiny fairies with shimmering wings flitted about, and mythical creatures like unicorns and talking animals roamed freely. A friendly fairy named Eldoria greeted them. "Welcome to Eldoria, the land of magic and wonder," she said with a warm smile. "We have been waiting for you." Lily and Max were amazed. "Waiting for us?" Lily asked. "Yes," Eldoria replied. "You see, the old oak tree is a portal that only opens for those with pure hearts and a sense of adventure. Eldoria needs your help. Our magic is fading, and only the bravery and kindness of children can restore it." Determined to help, Lily and Max embarked on a series of quests. They befriended a wise old dragon who taught them the secrets of the ancient runes, helped a family of unicorns find their lost foal, and even outsmarted a mischievous goblin who had been causing trouble in the enchanted forest. With each challenge they faced, the siblings grew braver and more resourceful. They discovered that the true magic of Eldoria lay not in spells or potions, but in the power of friendship, courage, and kindness. After many adventures, they finally found the source of the fading magic, a crystal hidden deep within a cave, guarded by a fearsome yet misunderstood creature. By showing compassion and understanding, Lily and Max convinced the guardian to let them restore the crystal's light. As the crystal began to glow brightly once more, Eldoria was filled with renewed magic and life. The fairies danced in joy and the mythical creatures celebrated. Eldoria thanked the siblings for their bravery and kindness. "It's time for you to return home," she said. "But remember, the magic of Eldoria will always be with you, as long as you keep your hearts pure and your spirits adventurous." Lily and Max bid farewell to their new friends and climbed back up the spiral staircase. When they emerged from the old oak tree, they found themselves back in their familiar forest, but with a newfound sense of wonder and a promise to always cherish the magic within them. And so, the siblings returned to their village, forever changed by their incredible journey. They knew that the secret of the old oak tree would remain a cherished memory, a reminder that magic and adventure are always just around the corner. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.